A sweet deal has been struck between Mexico and the United States. And it really is a sweet deal because it deals with sugar. That is, if the deal even goes through. Now, the Mexican Minister of Economy, Ildefonso Guajardo, said that talks between Mexico and the U.S. went into overtime this week as they worked on minor technicalities overnight, and a preliminary agreement has been reached that prevents steep tariffs on imports of Mexican sugar. Now, U.S. Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross even managed to extend the deadline for the negotiations by 24 hours in an attempt to complete this deal. Now, under the deal, Mexico would sharply reduce the share of refined sugar it exports into the United States while increasing its raw sugar exports. The agreement does lift the minimum prices for Mexican imports. Because of that, sugar producers in the United States already refusing to endorse the agreement in principle. Ross saying that U.S. sugar producers had told him that they could not accept the deal in its current form, but he hoped that they would agree to some changes in a final drafting of the agreement in the next several days. A complete deal would end 1 year of arguing over Mexican sugar exports. The latest talks began back in March, 2 months after President Donald Trump took office, vowing a tougher line on trade to protect both U.S. industry and U.S. jobs. And yes, this deal is making news because some are seeing this as a precursor to more complex discussions on North American Free Trade Agreement, better known as NAFTA, between the United States, Mexico, and Canada. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Sweeney.